So has TPM become a waste of time? I think the theories of TPM are unquestionable and have had a massive impact on factories around the world. However, from my experience, I found two main issues with TPM. The first one is that TPM requires a culture of compliance. And what I've seen is from different countries, locations, factories, and even within the same country, different factories have different compliance levels. And TPM assumes compliance and everyone does what they must do. The second problem that I've seen with TPM is a lot of the systems that have been developed by people that have got limited experience on shop floors. And what ends up happening is that 80% of the tasks that need to be done are actually non-value adding. And unfortunately, the 20% of tasks that are actually value adding get lumped into that. And so the whole thing becomes a tick box exercise because nobody wants to do tasks that add no value on a continuous basis. What I believe the way forward with TPM is to be able to use the data from production lines and actually use that to inform the tasks, TPM tasks that need to be performed. Just like how Google Maps dynamically changes based on the current situation and redirects you to two different routes based off data, we need to redirect TPM based off data from the shop floor and on a daily basis adapt the tasks that need to be done based on what's happened in the past. This is the real opportunity, I believe, to create new technologies to inform TPM. We can call it Smart TPM as an example. Here's another Thursday thought.